Hi, I'm Chart Gal Lori. I'm part of the Chart Guys community. I've been a trader and technical analyst for the last 9 years. I'm going to bring you the market recap for Wednesday, December 18th, the day that the FOMC rained red on the market. My word, we have a lot of red out there. We only have a little bit of green here with United Healthcare and Nvidia closed pretty flat, held up well most of the day, and then Cigna, CVS, UNH green, and everything else was a sea of red like we haven't seen in a while. This is the biggest FOMC down day in 2 years. So Feds cut a quarter point. However, they indicated that January there would likely not be a cut. So they decreased the number of cuts that they were anticipating for 2025, and that really spooked the market. So tomorrow we have the economic calendar, we have jobless claims and GDP, which can move the market as well. Please give me a follow on X at ChartGalLori. Let's go look at these daily candles. So this is the ES daily candle. This is not the type of candle you want to bring home to mom. This is a very bearish candle with high volume confirming this down move. We lost support. On the weekly, we lost support as well. Let's see, 5928. We broke it by $14. That's a break. NASDAQ still has room for a weekly higher low. This is a big weekly bearish reversal candle. We lost daily support. So now what do we do? So if you have long-term investments, go check those stop losses. Make sure that they're all updated. You're going to want to make sure that those are on the last 4-hour higher low. If you have one on a long, just overall investments, we are not positioned well going forward if we get some confirmed trend changes to the downside. So now we go to reverse back burner mode, meaning we look for 15-minute and 1-hour overbought conditions to potentially short these lower highs on most of our high beta names that we watch. RTY got extremely beat up today. We are just now approaching oversold on the daily, and the daily 200 MA is around 2200. On the 4-hour, big candle. So we were down 4% on NQ today, 3.3% on ES, and 3.6% on RTY. The Dow was down a little less than 3%. Huge down days. Bounces are for shorting until bulls prove otherwise. This is a change in tone, a change in tenor. This is different than what we have been seeing the last few months, really for the whole year. This is different. So on Dow, we'll be looking for a 4-hour lower high. The Dow still has this daily stair step. We'll see if this is a vol climax. The daily 200 MA is down by 41790. VIX had a huge spike and we're continuing to go. We have a monthly bull break on VIX. We know VIX doesn't tend to stay elevated for long, so we'll see if it comes back down quickly or does it stay elevated. Bitcoin was not immune to the down day. We had a pretty big down move on FOMC. We're looking for 4-hour lower highs on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is a little different in that we can still have a daily higher low on Bitcoin. Ethereum, we're looking down at 3,500. On bounces, you're looking for 4-hour lower highs. The dollar really spiked on that FOMC conference and decision. We got a weekly higher high. We have a weekly trend change now on the dollar, which typically the market goes inverse of the dollar, and that's the case now. We're holding the daily 12 EMA. The dollar is super strong. Gold lost daily support. We lost support of 26.35 and 26.30. On spikes, you will be looking for shorts on gold. A weekly higher low is still possible compared to 25.66, but bounces are for shorting with these trends, with the daily downtrend, 4-hour downtrend, etc. We have oil also got hit today with dollar strength. They're going inverse of the dollar. We have this daily tightening pattern, weekly tightening pattern. We rejected from last week's high. On the daily, we have a higher low here at 68.81. A 4-hour higher low is possible compared to 68.81. So oil looks better than gold, but if we look at this, this could be a 4-hour head and shoulders forming on oil. it would confirm below 68.72. SMH with a big down day. We have our daily 200 MA right here. We've bounced from that 2 times already, and we have room for a daily higher low. SMH held up better than the other sectors thanks to NVIDIA, but bounces will be for shorting, looking for a daily lower high, a 4-hour lower high, and an hourly lower high. NVIDIA had a big down move at the end of the day. We closed down negative 1%. We're still holding this low of 126.86. MU is reporting right now. It looks like it's having a down move, and that's impacting NVIDIA. So Micron earnings seem to be bearish, and that is weighing on NVIDIA. Apple with a huge down move today. We got a new all-time high. We have room for a daily higher low on Apple. Your support is at 245.68. So we do have room for a daily higher low on Apple, but on a bounce, bears will be looking for a 4-hour lower high. Amazon came out the gate weak and stayed weak. You've lost daily support. You have enough room for a weekly higher low on Amazon. 4-hour is approaching oversold, not quite there yet. Tomorrow, we could open 4-hour oversold. On Google, we lost our daily support. We're looking for a weekly higher low. This is not the type of weekly candle bulls want to see with a big upper wick of profit taking. We have 2 days left in this candle, and also a reminder, will be closed. The market will be closed half day next Tuesday for Christmas Eve and all day on Wednesday for Christmas. Meta, we're looking for a weekly higher low. We lost daily support. 4-hour is oversold. If we were to gap down tomorrow on Meta, that could be an opportunity for buying, looking for that weekly higher low, but we'll have to wait and see what the market looks like overall. Microsoft with a big down move, lost daily support, looking for a weekly higher low. So you can see the trend here. Lots of names lost daily support, and lots of names are still holding weekly support. Tomorrow, we'll see if we get a reversal or do we get continuation to the downside. Nice double top here on Microsoft, 456.16 and 455.29. Tesla went negative 10% from yesterday's close price. At a point today, we went down 10%, which means it's short sell restricted. Bears can only short on the bid, not the ask. It's designed to slow down selling, and that carries over to the next trading day. So Tesla will be short sell restricted tomorrow. We got a new all-time high today. We're looking for a weekly higher low, and we're looking for a daily higher low on Tesla. Hourly is just now getting oversold. If we were to gap down tomorrow on Tesla, this would be my pick for a long. XLF got totally just smashed. A weekly supports at 46.03. Horrible looking candle. We're approaching daily oversold. XLV, we're oversold on the daily. Weekly downtrend and monthly support at 137.16. We held that during regular trading hours. We are breaking it in after hours. And then the quantum hype continued. QUBT got a new high of day while the market is tanking. It got a new high of day into the end of day. So QUBT still moving. QBTS, it was weaker at the end of day. RGTI held up pretty well considering what the market was doing. So again, quantum names still have a push, and we still have the risk of dilution. These names have been diluting. I believe it was QBTS diluted last week. So be on the lookout for that. And then we had a new quantum runner today, QMCO. It was running back here, and it confirmed with a big daily bull break. And we'll be looking for hourly higher lows on QMCO. All right, that's it for your market recap. It's really red out there. Bounces are for shorting until bulls prove otherwise. This is a change in character for the market. Bulls have to confirm shorter term time frame trend changes to the bulls to prove that they're playing defense. We're looking for defense for the bulls. If you stay with the trend, you're a little bit safer. And right now the trend is down. All right, that's it.